Walter E. Why are you being so awkward?
They don't want you singing in the front of the restaurant.
What? That's so bad.
It's how people are. I mean, if you're in New York and you get a nice place, if you're not dressed nice and stuff, and they don't think you deserve their food, they'll just say, "Oh, we're full. We don't have room."
I told you that was happening at the Italian restaurant in New York when I was with my dad. They like had plenty of room, and then the hostess would go talk to the owner, and then the owner would sit in the back and look everyone up and down, and then he would be like, yes or no. And he said no to some people. Isn't that so bad?
Yeah. I wonder whether how they're allowed to do that.
I don't know. I guess no one says anything. All right, if anybody is wondering, well, I was just filming. We were at the Washington Convention Center, right?
Yep, we were at the Washington Auto Show.
The auto show, which was mostly for Ryan, because I'm just not that interested in cars, but it's actually kind of cool. We saw this one car that was like $4 million, which is kind of crazy.
Pagani,
like with
Pagani Huayra.
So that was kind of cool. But right now we're going to get dinner at this Italian restaurant. What's that called?
El Canale.
El Canale. They're ranked 75th in the world for pizza, or like just overall?
For pizza, yeah.
So I'm excited to do that. Like
way colder.
Look how beautiful that is. That's literally somebody's house. I don't even know. Should I be filming that or is that bad? But like, it's just like so pretty down here. How much do you think? Like, look at that. I feel like 2-car garages down here is just not a normal thing, right?
No, it's not normal at all.
It's so cute. I want to live here. I want to live here, guys. This is adorable. Look at this. Oh my gosh, alright, I look so rough right now, sorry, but it is Sunday night and I just kind of have been cleaning, and over there at my desk I'm watching Brooke Michio and Danielle Corlin. I hope I'm not saying her last name wrong, but yeah, I just feel like I watch their videos to kind of help me like get back into the like productive cleaning mode and stuff. So yeah, I just decided to spend my Sunday night. I have their videos up, so if you guys kind of need like help with productivity tips and stuff, or just like how to, you know, stay motivated, honestly, pretty much what I do is I just put on a good YouTuber and I just let it play in the background while I go and like clean everything. So I did the dishes and I'm in the process of doing my laundry right now. And then I cleaned all the counters and I took all the trash from recycling out. So yeah, I just got a lot of stuff done. I'm gonna go through my planner and just kind of like write stuff down for the week, and I have work tomorrow, so I don't want to stay up too late doing this right now, but so yeah, I have my candle lit there and I like wiped all the counters down. Everything's nice and clean for tomorrow. And then I've kind of like switched my living room again. This is like the 4th time I've switched it. So I put the couch over here, and then I know this looks strange, I have all the pillows there, and I like push the coffee table back because Ladybug has a bunch of toys and she will get them all stuck underneath the couch. So I made the weirdest perimeter ever. Like I literally put that curtain rod there, and then I put this like painting that shattered. So I have that for the back of the couch, so she stops, and then like her tunnel. So she'll stop knocking things under when I'm gone. But normally when I come back, I like put everything up because I'll just like reach under the couch and grab it for her. But when I'm gone at work, it's just really annoying because she tosses everything underneath the sofa, and then she'll like sit there and then scream and cry when she can't get the stuff out. So I have made this little perimeter right now, but yeah, this is kind of what the living room is looking like so far. I really like it. I love the coffee table. This is a chair I literally bought from like I went to like a thrift store and I bought it for like, I don't know, $5 or something, just as a placement chair before I found the chair that I have for my office. But eventually I want to get a TV. Sorry, I'm like really shaky. So eventually I'm gonna get like a TV and then one of those like TV consoles. I want something that's kind of like matching the light colors, light wood theme. So like a TV console there, and then I'll have like the television up here, and then I'll eventually get like a nicer chair to go there. But this is kind of what the living room looks like so far. So but yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys kind of think that the setup looks, I guess, fine, because I've switched the living room like 4 times now, and I feel like every time I film a video, my living room just like looks completely different. I just keep like not knowing where I want to put my furniture, so I keep just kind of like placing it in different areas. But let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that is kind of what I'm up to the rest of the night. So I'm just gonna finish my laundry and then oh my god, there's literally gotta be no fucking way. There's a literal bug. I'm done with my life. Oh my god. Every time I open the fridge, Ladybug decides that she wants to jump inside. So it's just so cute. I don't know if she just loves the cold air from the fridge, but she's definitely obsessed with it. I'm starting off my morning with my little jade roller, because I've been watching a lot of YouTubers recently and like their morning routines and stuff, and they've been using those like, it's like I don't know if it's like a jade roller, but it has like a little vibration thing, so it helps with like lymphatic drainage and stuff. So I don't have the fancy one, but I have had this for like 2 years or something, so I just use this. Oh look, Ladybug's decided to join us. All right, I'm also like super aware that my hair looks just horrible. I had like just woke up, but also recently I've been taking turmeric pills. I'll show you. So this little area is like, I know it kind of looks bad, but it's like my vitamin area. But I've started taking turmeric pills recently. 10 out of 10, I would 100% recommend this. This summer I was just drinking turmeric powder, and I noticed that while I was on my Accutane, obviously my face would get like really inflamed and red. So I noticed that when I was taking the turmeric or drinking it, it helped a lot with that. I'm just telling you, like, this is probably one of the best things that I've ever found out about, ever started taking. So I started just taking that recently. I'll just take the 2 pills, and they just help so much with like redness, puffiness, like just inflammation. These things are great. I just always feel so much better. And then I always take elderberry, and then I'll do the like hair, skin, nail gummies, and then make sure I have vitamin D in the morning. And then I also usually do like chlorophyll and stuff. And then I just grab this from the bathroom. I normally have this sitting here also. This is like extra strength oregano. I got this at the vitamin store because I saw it on TikTok. Somebody was saying that it was helping them when they like were around a bunch of people that had COVID and stuff, and then they just kept taking it and didn't catch it. And my boyfriend a couple weeks ago had COVID, and I was around him, and I just started like taking this. I would do like 2 drops 3 times a day, and I took a COVID test, and then I was just negative. But obviously you can never be too careful, but if you want something that'll help with your immune system, it's the oil of wild oregano. So it's the super strength one you can get at the vitamin store. That stuff is amazing, but I always try to do that in the morning. Alrighty, so here's my outfit. Oh my goodness, Miss Ladybug just wanted some attention. Oh my god, she's literally licking my face right now. Alright, so here's my outfit. I just put this hat on because I was having a really bad hair day. This jacket I got is from, oh lord, about to fall, is from Zara. Sweater is from Revolve. Yeah, I just put this like baseball hat on because I just don't like the way that my hair looks right now. So I just feel like if I'm feeling self-conscious or something, I just throw a baseball hat on. And yeah, then I have these jeans and these sneakers. So this is just kind of my outfit for the day. All right, so I'm in the car right now, heading to work. Funniest yet scariest thing happened. I swear sometimes I just am so in another world. So I'm literally was walking out to obviously get in my car to go to work, which also, by the way, I can't like say, I can't really talk about work and like what I'm doing and stuff right now, just because of the contract that I signed. I'm not allowed to talk about it on social media or like show anything on social media. So if anybody asks, I'm not really gonna be allowed to say anything. I just obviously like don't want to get into any type of legal trouble or anything. But yeah, so sorry if anyone asks, I just am going to not respond. But I was going in the parking lot, and I always park usually in like the same area or like the same spot, but when I parked my car the other day, all of the spaces were filled, so I had to go onto the opposite side of the parking lot, and I forgot that I parked on the complete opposite side of the parking lot. So I just went out to go to my car and had like an actual panic attack because I couldn't find my car where it normally was. And so I thought somebody like stole it or they towed it or something, which they wouldn't tow it because I obviously live there and have like a parking pass. But I was like pacing around the parking lot and I started like sweating, and it's freezing out. I was so nervous, but I found my car. I just forgot that I parked it on the opposite side. But if they had video footage of me like pacing around, that would have been the funniest thing ever, because I just looked just so stressed out. Okay, I don't even know if you can see me, but I just got off work. Sorry, I like turn the air down. I feel like you can't hear me. So I just got off. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go back home, and I have like a couple emails I need to respond to for some like YouTube collaborations and stuff. And then I wanted to go to the gym, but I feel like I need to do the gym in the morning before I go to work, because after I'm just like so exhausted. So yeah, I'm just gonna, I don't know, I need to go to the grocery store though also. So I think I'm going to stop by the grocery store on the way back super quickly and get some stuff that I need for this week. And then I'll probably like make myself dinner, and then I honestly just want to take a bath because it is freezing cold here, and I just want to be warm. Okay, I just went and got myself a soda because I don't want to fall asleep on the drive back. So I hit the spot. So what I was saying though, before I went in to the gas station, sorry, if you guys want a really good movie to watch, you should watch Spencer. It's a new Kristen Stewart movie, and it's about like Princess Diana and stuff. I watched it with Ryan after we went to the DC like auto show and stuff, and it was so good. I would 100% recommend it. Let me know if you guys have like any movie recommendations and stuff. Like leave it in the comments down below, or if you've seen Spencer. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit, I don't know, okay, I would say it was scary at times. Like maybe I'd label it more as like kind of like a psychological horror sort of genre a little bit. So if you don't like stuff that's like maybe a little bit like psychologically twisting, maybe don't watch it. But I thought it was really good, so I would highly recommend that movie. If you are to watch it, you should 100% give it a try. Okay, so I went to the grocery store today, and so it's just really quickly gonna show you guys what I got. So I'll try to go through this somewhat quickly, and then if you just stick through this, I have a little, not an announcement, but a little giveaway in a second. But I just got eggs because I eat eggs like every morning. And then I got some of these red apples. I got those for Ryan. And then I got myself green apples because I looked up what the healthiest apple is. Apparently it's green. And then I got myself some carrots to bake in the oven with my fish. And then here's where things get a little bit exciting. Well, I got myself these like whole wheat English muffins. I thought that I could kind of like excite the way I eat eggs in the morning, because I just like eat them plain. So, and then sorry if you hear that noise, it's like my cat playing with the toy. And then I got myself these because they're literally my favorite snack ever. They're the I can't speak, the honey mustard and onion with little pretzels. Then I got myself a Diet Coke, no judgment, thank you. And then I got myself 2 bags of candy. yeah. And then I got myself some frozen peaches because I have frozen blueberries. So it just makes it easier to keep like fruit fresh and stuff. And then I picked this up for Ryan. He just wanted me to grab him while I was at the store some like chicken that was frozen. And then I got myself this pizza. So this is, I guess, like a vegan pizza. So this is this is like dairy free and stuff. So I got myself that. So I'm gonna make myself that tonight. Just gonna treat myself to pizza. And then I got myself Oreos. I literally don't remember the last time I had Oreos. I don't even know why. I think I just like got the candy and then got the Oreos. So. And then I got myself these like protein bars just because sometimes I get really hungry when I'm at work. And I just thought like this would be good to like throw into my bag in case I forget lunch one day or just like don't get lunch or something, which I normally do eat lunch, but. And then I got some vitamin C pills with wild rose hip in it. So just thought that I need a little bit more vitamin C into my diet. And then I got face lotion. I had Full Leaf Tea reach out to me and they kindly sent me a bunch of teas, and I messaged them and asked them if there was any way that if I, you know, show the teas and stuff in my video that I could maybe get a little box put together for one of you guys. So the teas that there is the organic sleeping tea. I've had this one night, it was really good. I haven't tried this one yet. This is like the beauty tea, but I have tried the green tea. It is amazing. It 100% has been helping me with like my energy levels and stuff. So this tea is insane. I mean, the bag is like getting near empty. And then actually I haven't even tried this one yet. This is like a organic chamomile tea. I hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, so if any of you guys just want some free teas, it'll be like sent directly to your house. Just let me know in the comment section below, and make sure you're make sure you follow me on my glow up tips page and then on my like regular Instagram. So just follow me on both of those things, comment down below in the video, and then make sure if you want the teas to DM me also, because last time I did the dossier giveaway, honestly, I was so confused with like how to, I don't know if you can like message people back on YouTube in the comments, but I was like having to like look up people's like usernames from YouTube and like find them in my like following on my Instagram account so I could like message them about the giveaway. But yeah, if you just want some really delicious free teas, literally doesn't cost you anything, it's just a little giveaway. Just follow me on both things, comment down below, and then like send me a DM being like, hey, I want your stuff, I want teas, and I'll have it shipped to you after I get your address and stuff. So yeah, but that's kind of the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know you've been asking for more like chatty vlog type stuff. I have no idea if anything in this was remotely entertaining. If it wasn't, please let me know. If it was, please let me know. But yeah, make sure you're subscribed. Like the video, dislike the video, whatever it is that you want to do. But I love you guys so much, and I just wanted to thank you all for watching my stuff, and I will see you in my next video.